Nothing is more frustrating than a car that keeps letting you down. One week it won't start, the next it's overheating, and just when you think everything's fine, a warning light pops up on your dash. Most people assume it's just bad luck or that their car is getting old. But in reality, there's often a hidden reason behind repeated breakdowns, and once you understand it, you can stop the cycle for good. It's not always about age. A lot of drivers blame constant breakdowns on having an older car. While age can play a role, a well-maintained car with 150,000 miles can be more reliable than a poorly maintained car with just 50,000 miles. The truth is that many breakdowns happen because small problems are ignored or overlooked until they snowball into big repairs. Neglecting maintenance. The number one hidden reason for constant breakdowns is skipped or delayed maintenance. Modern cars might feel like they can go forever without attention, but ignoring oil changes, transmission service, or coolant flushes can quietly destroy your engine or transmission over time. Dirty oil leads to internal wear, old coolant causes overheating, and worn belts or hoses can snap when you least expect it. Even something as simple as not replacing your air filter or spark plugs on time can cause rough running, poor fuel economy, and unexpected stalling. Cars today are full of sensors and electronics, and when one small part gets clogged or fails, it can trigger a chain reaction of problems. Electrical issues and weak batteries. Another common culprit is your car's electrical system. A weak battery or corroded terminals can create all kinds of random issues: stalling, dashboard warning lights, or even problems with your transmission and fuel system. Modern cars rely heavily on stable voltage to keep all the computers happy. If your battery is near the end of its life, it can cause strange, hard-to-diagnose breakdowns long before it actually dies completely. Hidden fluid problems. Many breakdowns come from problems that could have been spotted by simply checking your car's fluids. Low engine oil, dirty transmission fluid, or a slow coolant leak can silently damage your car until something finally gives out. A lot of people only check their fuel gauge, but your car has several other fluids that keep it alive. Ignoring them is like never drinking water. You might feel fine for a while, but it'll catch up to you fast. The snowball effect of small problems. Here's the thing, cars rarely break down out of nowhere. Usually, there's a trail of small symptoms that lead up to it. A squealing belt, a tiny oil leak, a strange vibration. Ignoring these early signs is like letting a small snowball roll down a hill. It picks up speed, grows bigger, and eventually crashes into you as a major breakdown. Fixing problems early is almost always cheaper and easier than waiting until your car leaves you stranded. How to break the cycle. If you're tired of your car constantly giving you trouble, the solution is simpler than you might think. Start by getting a proper inspection from a trusted mechanic and catch up on all missed maintenance. Change your fluids, replace worn-out parts, and take care of any small leaks or noises before they grow into big problems. A well-maintained car is far less likely to surprise you with a breakdown, no matter its age. The bottom line: your car isn't cursed, and it doesn't just hate you. Most repeated breakdowns are caused by small maintenance issues that pile up over time. Treat your car like the machine it is. Keep it clean, feed it the right fluids, and listen to the little warning signs. Do that, and you'll spend more time driving, and less time calling for a tow truck.